Hey, if you want to change all of these shortcuts on your your lock screen in the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, you have to just unlock your phone, click and hold with your finger on the empty space in the home screen, and then select wallpaper and the style. Then you have to select your lock screen, and as you can see from this, we can actually remove these shortcuts if you don't need them, but also can replace with different one. So if you want to get clear access to the flashlight, or for example into the Google Chrome, you can pick them. Then click done, and now when you lock the screen and unlock, you can quickly turn on. Oh, it doesn't work for some reason. Okay, so to turn on actually the flashlight, we have to make this gesture. Take a look. We actually cannot click on it or click and hold. We have to swipe to the left to turn it on or off. And let's check how it works on the Chrome. Okay, we have to actually swipe. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.